How to sign into Netflix on TV. Signing into Netflix on your TV allows you to enjoy movies, TV shows, and exclusive content on a larger screen. The process varies depending on the type of TV and device you are using. Below are the steps to sign into Netflix on different TV models and streaming devices. Using a smart TV. Turn on your smart TV and connect it to the internet. Open the Netflix app from the home screen or App Store. Select Sign In and enter your Netflix email and password. If prompted, choose your Netflix profile. Using a streaming device, Roku, Firestick, Apple TV, Chromecast. Plug in and set up your streaming device. Navigate to the Netflix app and open it. Select Sign In and enter your credentials. For Chromecast, use your phone to cast Netflix to your TV. Using a game console, PlayStation, Xbox. Open the Netflix app from the main menu or App Store. Select Sign In and enter your email and password. Choose your profile and start streaming using a QR code or activation code. Some TVs and devices provide an activation code instead of requiring login details. Open the Netflix app and select Sign In using a code. On your phone or computer, go to the Netflix activation website. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV. Your TV will automatically sign in to Netflix. Troubleshooting sign-in issues. Incorrect email or password. Double-check your credentials and try again. App not working. Restart your TV or reinstall the Netflix app. No internet connection. Ensure your TV or device is connected to Wi-Fi. Device compatibility issues. Update your TV software or use a compatible streaming device. Signing out from Netflix on TV, open the Netflix app and go to the Get Help or Settings menu. Select Sign Out and confirm the action. You can sign in again using another account if needed. In conclusion, signing into Netflix on a TV is a simple process, whether through a smart TV, streaming device, game console, or activation code. If you experience any issues, troubleshooting steps like checking your internet connection and updating the app can help resolve the problem.